Hello students, welcome once again in YouTube video lecture. Okay, and today we are going to convert octal number into a decimal number. This is your octal to decimal conversion. Okay, see the methods, steps, how we are going to convert it. Okay, as you know, the rightmost digit is what? LSD, least significant, and the leftmost digit is MSD, most significant digit. Okay. Well, as you know, the base of octal number system is 8. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply in each digit of this number by power of 8, from left to right side, okay. So here the first digit is from right to left. Okay, the first digit is 5, and 5 is to be multiplied by 8 power 1 minus 1, and once again next digit is 3 is going to be multiplied by 8 power 2 minus 1, and in similar way 4 is to be multiplied by 4 into 8 power 3 minus 1. Okay, now we will solve these things. As you know, 1 minus 1 is 0, and so we will get here 8 power 0. In the same way, 3 into 8 power 2 minus 1, we will get power here 1, and here 8 power 3 minus 1, 2, 8 power 2. Okay, now 8 power 0, as you know, will be equal to 1, and as you know 8 power 1 is 8. Okay, and next thing, 8 power 2, as you know 8 into 8 is 64, so we will write here 64. Now multiply these digits. 5 into 1, 5, 3 into 8, 24, and 4 into 64, 4 4s are 16, and we will carry 1, and 4 6s are 24, plus 1, 25. So now in the last step we will add these number. 256 plus 29, 24 plus 5 is 29, and now add these two number. So 6 plus 9, 15, and we will carry 1. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8, and this is 2. Okay, so what we have got? We have got finally 285. That is in decimal. Okay, so here we can simply write 435 of base 8 equals to 285 base 10. So this is a way we can convert any octal number into decimal number. Okay, one more example, that is 24.6. Okay. Suppose we have a octal number in decimal point, then how we will convert it into decimal number system? Okay. We have a octal number in decimal point. Okay, and we have to convert into decimal number system. This octal number, this octal number which is in decimal point, and we have to convert it into decimal number system. See the steps. Again, first we will give the priority to the digits we have here before point. Okay, that is your whole number. Okay, so as you know, this is your 24, and first I will multiply into 4 by 8 power 1 minus 1, and 2 into 8 power 2 minus 1, and plus. Now after here you can see after decimal point here we have 6, and what we are going to multiply into 6, see here. Six into 8 power minus 1. Why? Because this is the only first, this is the only digit which comes after, this is the first digit which comes after decimal point. Okay, so we will write here 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 1. Okay, 8 power minus 1. Suppose if we would have 2 power 6.63, then what we would have done, 8 power 6 into 8 power minus 1 plus 3 into 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 2. But here only we have 6, one digit after decimal point. Okay. Okay, now solve this thing. Okay, plus 6 into, as you know, the power of this number is in negative, is in minus. Okay, so we need to convert in plus. So how we will write it? 1 upon 8. So the power of this number will become positive. Okay, now 4 into 8 power 0 plus 2 into 8 power 1. Okay, now as you know, 8 power 0 is equal to 1, and 8 power 1 is 8 into 2 plus 6 upon 8. Now come here. Okay, 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 4 into 1, 4 plus. Now divide 6 by 8. We will get 8 sevens are 56 and 8 fives are 40. Okay, so now add these numbers here. 20 plus 0. This is a point, decimal. Okay, point 0.75, and what we will finally get, 20.75 base of 10. Okay, so simply I can write here 20.75. that is the decimal equivalent of this octal number. Okay, so I have explained you two example. Okay, so I hope you have understood these things very well. Okay, see you in next video lecture.